Small spaces call for small devices. That's where mini PCs come in handy, seeing you through your PC needs without taking up too much space. A desktop PC setup, after all, does take up some room. Otherwise, these machines are also much more portable than a traditional PC, so if you need to take it along to work or on a business trip with a portable monitor, these are not as much a hassle. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Top 3 Zone. I am researching many mini PCs, then only the best mini PCs pellets are listed. I am presenting the best 3 Windows mini PCs for 2022 in detail briefly. Check the link in the description box. So let's get started and enjoy this video. Number 1. BOSGAME U56 Mini PC. Stylish minimalist design size, 126, 112.8, 40mm. It is portable mini PC. This mini PC support 2.5 HDD, 500GB 2TB Intel 512GB NVMe 228 SSD. Kingston DDR43200GB2. It has an AMD Reatan 5560U 12 threads Ryzen 3200 gram CPU. It is dust-proof mini PC and it has self-cleaning cooling system, which protects it from external dust and sand. It has a 3.5mm audio port, 3.2, 2 USB port and Type-C full function. Also have charger DC19V3, 42A, Giga LAN 1000 meters, HDMI 2.0.2 and USB 2.0.2 port. The mini PC provides net service in such a way, which does not cause any interruption while playing games or watching pictures and working in the office. You can install this mini PC very easily. With this you can run 2 4K resolution monitors simultaneously. Number 2. MINISFORUM B550 Mini PC. This mini PC is a SA-mall desktop computer with an AMD Ryzen 7570G, 8C, 16T, up to 4.6 GHz processor. The faster performance can handle heavy computing tasks smoothly and better for multitasking. This MINISFORUM B550 mini computer pre-installed DDR4 32GB RAM, 2x SODIMM slot. Each of slot can be upgraded to 32GB, plus 512GB 2280 SSD, up to 2 TB. The additional SSD slot also up to 2 TB. The B550 Mini PC comes with integrated Radeon graphics frequency 2000 MHz, but it also support the discrete graphics card. Each B550 comes with one dock to support an external graphics card. The B550 Mini PC equipped with 2 HDMI ports and 1 DP port, all of them support 4K at 60Hz. You could connect 3 independent displays, which ensures smooth navigation, responsive work processes and comfortable handling of apps and files and expands multiple workspaces for more efficient and comfortable productivity. Number 3. Reatan TR5-5600U Mini PC. Ryzen 5560U AMD processor, 6C, 12T up to 4.2 GHz, AMD Radeon graphics 7-core 1800 MHz, stable data transmission. Genuine Windows 11 is simple and efficient, Wi-Fi 6E, 3600 megabits per second, Bluetooth 5.2 is faster and more stable, and there. Mini PC with dual channels, the 16GB RAM can be expanded up to 32GB RAM of single slot and up to 64GB of dual slots. Installed 512GB M.22280 NVMe 3.04x solid-state drive can be upgraded to 1TB and support 2TB HDD expansion via 1x2.5-inch SATA HDD slot, SATA 3.06.0 gigabits per second, up to 128GB storage via microSD card slot and more external hard drives via USB 3.1 ports. HDMI port X2, USB 3.0 port X3, Type-C data port 1, DC jack X1, RJ45 1000 meters port X1, audio jack, HP and mic, port X1. Multi-screen display, multi-program at the same time, showing ultra-clear visual effects. 4K pixels are 4 times that of 1080p, which can capture more and clearer details to meet your various needs. Mini computer was pre-installed Windows 11 Pro, which can turn your desk into a powerful workstation just by adding a keyboard, mouse.